This is our tunnel pasteurizer. This specific one that we have here would be a 3-zone. However, we can run these up to 8 zones. All these zones are regenerative. So we have our holding zone in the center, is where our hot zone is, where we're getting that product up to the desired temp. And our outside zones are what is allowing us to hold that curve as the product heats up and then cools back down to be able to grab them right off the line without them being super hot. One of the things that's really ingenious about our pastos is that we have them with these hot water heaters, so we're not having to run from a steam boiler. With our pasteurizer, there's a really wide range of PU levels and pasteurization units that we're able to hit, depending on the product, depending on the desire of that product and what we need to hit. Being able to really sweep that curve as needed, setting the temperatures of each zone according to that. As the water is collected inside the pasteurizer, it flows into each of our basins. Our basins then collect that water and it is pumped up to our spray heads. And the way that it is regenerated, outside zones are collecting with each other, the inside zones are collecting with each other, and all that water is being dispersed accordingly. Our spray heads inside the pasteurizer give a really solid, even spray across, so we have a really good, even heat transfer as the cans move through the pasteurizer. And it's incredibly regenerative as well. As the cold cans come in, that water is collected and moved to the outside zones, making the pasteurizer insanely efficient. When it comes to the size or the length of pasteurizer that you may need for your specific facility, that comes to the product that you're using, and that information will come from the process authority. Depending on the length and how many zones is going to be set by that PU target that we need to hit. It's going to be different for every product. So once you have an idea of what product you're going to be running and what pasteurization level you need to be reaching, and you get that information from the process authority, give us a call and we can walk you through the process and figure out exactly how long, how many zones, how wide, cans per minute. All of that information we take into account, and that will determine what size pasteurizer you need in your facility.